Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Continuing from page 13. Now lines 3, 4, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so now the Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra, they're all going to be mixed. But if you look at the first line over here, the first letter has a Dhamma, second letter has a Kasra, and the last letter has a Fatha. So they made it quite easy for you actually. So if you look at all the boxes, first letter will make an U sound, second letter will make an E sound, and the last letter will make a sound with a fatha. So they made it quite easy following that pattern. So U, E, and then U, E, sounds. Okay, so now first one. This is a qaf with a dhamma. So make sure you say the qu, the q sound. So that's qu, di, the kasra, qudi, ra, that's a full mouth letter, ra, qudira. Next one, hu, so again following the same pattern, u, e, and a. Hu with a dhamma, di, hudi, ya, hudiya, making sure all the letters are very quick. Okay, then it's okay. Here, this is a one-line letter with a dot on top. So this is a no, fi, no fi, kha. So kha is a full mouth letter. No fi kha, no fi kha. Next is a khu. So two-line letter with a dot on top. So kha, full mouth. Khu. Now here, this is a lam with a kasra. So li, khuli, qa, khuliqa. Try to say the qa sound on the qaf. So it's not a ka, so qa. Then here, this is a full mouth letter. This is a ghain with a dhamma. So ghu, this circle with one dot on top is a fa, fi, ghufi, ra, ghufira. So now pause the video and practice this line at least 3 times. And once you're ready, move on to the next line. Okay, so again, these 3 boxes, again, follow the same pattern. First letter is a dhamma, then it's a kasra, then it's a fatha. So du, ri, duri, ba, duriba, wu, I. So the ayn with a kasra, wu'i, that was a full mouth letter. Wu'i, da, wu'ida. Okay, so that's that, done. Next one, here this is a kaf with a dhamma. Ku. Now here this is one line with 2 dots on top, so it's a ta with a kasra. Ti, kuti, ba, kuti ba. Now here this one doesn't follow the same pattern. First 2 letters has a fatha, then the last letter has a dhamma. So this is one line with 2 dots at the bottom, ya. Then this is a dad with a fatha, la. Ya la. Make sure to read the dad as a full mouth letter. Read the ayn. Try to read it from the middle of the throat. So ayn with a dhamma, u. Yada'u. Next one. Now again, this follows the same pattern as the ones that we've done before. Qaf with a dhamma, qu. Dad with a kasra, di, qudi. Then a ya with a fatha, ya, qudiya. And now pause the video and practice this line 3 times. Once you're ready, then move on to the next line. Okay, now here, this follows a different pattern. Now the first letter has a fatha, second letter has a kasra, and then the third letter has a fatha. So all these boxes, they follow that. Fatha, so with an a, then an e, then an a again. Okay, so now the first letter is a ra, that's full mouth. Second letter is a dad with a kasra. So dad is also another full mouth letter, isn't it? So di, ra, di, radi, ya, radiya. Next one is a sin with a fatha, sa, mi, sami. The ayn with a fatha, a, sami'a. Then it's a nun with a fatha, na. Here, see the pointy bits, the 2, 1, 2. This is a sin with a kasra, si. So here one line letter, which is a nun. So na, si, nasi, ya, nasiya. Okay, now here this is a one line letter on top and two line letters at the bottom, which we've done before. So now on top is a one line letter. So then how do you find its dot? So we've learned that there are 5 one line letters in there. There's ba, ta, tha, nun, and ya. Yeah, so if you remember, you should remember that. So if you've forgotten, then go to page 5 and check your one line letters. You should have them underlined. So ba, ta, tha, nun, and ya. So they have one line just like this. So this is our one line. Let's see if I've got it here. Yeah, here. Actually, they're circled. So ba, ta, tha, nun, and ya are the one line letters because they only have one line. Okay, so the ba has a dot at the bottom, ta has 2 dots on top, tha has 3 dots on top, nun has 1 dot on top, ya has 2 dots at the bottom. So you have to remember where the dots are and how many dots they have. So let's go back. Now this is our one line, and now the dot that it has is the first dot which is closest to this right hand side. Okay, so now if you look at, there's 2 dots over here, which one's closer to this right hand side? Okay, if we move this over here, it's this dot, isn't it? It's very close to this. So this dot will belong to the one line letter. So now this is one line with a dot at the bottom, which we've done is over here, one line with a dot at the bottom is a ba, isn't it? Yeah. So first letter is a ba. See that? See where my arrow is? Point is this letter over here. This is a ba with a fatha, so B. Now the second letter at the bottom is always a 2 line letter. So here, look at where my point is. One line and then 2 lines. So we've done 2 line letters as well. So there are 3 2 line letters. First is a jim, ha, and kha. Jim has a dot at the bottom, ha has no dots, kha has 1 dot on top. So you have to remember their dots. Okay, so now this is a 2 line letter, and its dot must be on top because this dot belongs to the ba, isn't it? So that's gone. So now 2 lines with 1 dot on top must be a kha with a kasra to make a khi sound. So ba, khi. And then la with a fatha, so this is la. Ba, khi, la. So this is quite a difficult word. So if you need to look at, rewind this video and then listen to the explanation again, you can do. It might help you understand it better. But it's ba, khi, la, la. And the last one, here, this is a ghain with a fatha, so gha, shin with a kasra, shi, ghashi, ya, ghashiya. And that's that line done as well. So now pause the video and listen to this line 3 times at least. And then once you're ready, so before you go into class, you should be able to read at least 3 lines to your teacher perfectly. And we'll stop there.